Hello guys and girls also. Today I'm with HUAWEI P40 Lite and I would like to show you how to add event to calendar in this device. So let's move to the calendar, and as you can see we have to give allow access to the storage. So yeah, and as you can see this is our calendar, yeah. And now when you want to add the event, click on this marker in the corner, and here we have to add title. Mine will be hard reset, and as you can see there's also location, the account, descriptions, the reminder, the time when we going to use this event. If you set up everything, just click on the right upper corner to save it, and here we are in the event hard reset. So thank you for watching, leave like, subscriptions and of course comments below.